Hi, I'm Nat from Hobbybase, and today's episode of What's New at Hobbybase HQ is looking at some great first edition dies and the latest stamps to hit the shelves here at Hobbybase. So let's take a look. We've got a new range of stamps that have come straight into Hobbybase this week. These are the latest festive stamps by Cardio collection. This is the Oh Christmas Tree. You can see these are really cute foliage stamps here, and some little pine cones, really cute winter hat there, so that's really sweet. You've also got the Winter Archway collection, or range if you like, set, and you've got some really nice edging, these kind of branches with leaves sticking out, really lovely woodland archway here, and loads of little birds, kind of winter birds and robins, as well as the lantern, little sprigs, loads of really cute detail in that set, which I really like. And these are great stamps. I've used these before, so they stamp really well. And then the last bit that goes with this range that we've had in is actually these vintage lights. So you can see these are all individual lantern-esque shape stamps, little lights. And you can of course then make your own like bunting lights on your projects. So really cute. So that's the Cardio stamping collection. And then we've got, in terms of the newest dies this week, are the first edition festive dies that have come straight in. So we've got a snowflake die set, and 7 pieces in there, 7 dies. These have all come in. We've also got some more build scenes dies, and we've been looking at these a lot lately at Hobbybase. This is really popular at the moment, the kind of whole the building up the scenes with stamps and dies. So you can see you've got really loads of intricate detailed items. So the penguin, snowman, and every little piece inside it is kind of buildable. So you don't have to have the little glasses, the little dicky bow, you don't have to have all of them in there, but you can kind of start to build up your scene and mix and match. So that's really fun. And then lastly, we've got this advent calendar die. How cute is that? So if you guys are thinking about Christmas and what you might do for advent calendars, or perhaps you want to create a card with that advent calendar look, then this one is for you. So that's it for this week, guys. I hope you liked the video. If you did, give us a thumbs up, and more importantly, subscribe to our channel to stay tuned for all the latest tutorials and what's new at Hobbybase HQ videos, and let us know what you think. If you want to feel more inspired, then there's another video for you to watch just over here. And I'll see you soon, guys. Take care. Bye.